We're painting. Oh boy, now we're painting. What are we painting?
We're painting rocks.
Rocks. What are these?
These.
Rocks. Yeah, we're gonna put them in the garden. It's gonna be pretty. Paint, paint. Dip, dip, dip. So I'm just naming some different words for them. I'm using action words of paint, 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 and dip, dip, dip. I'm painting my rock.
I'm painting my dog. Painting my dog.
Oh, let me know if you need more paint.
I want more paint.
Okay, what color for you?
I want this.
What color?
It's ash.
Yellow. Good
Yellow,
guess.
yellow.
Yellow. I like yellow.
Look.
Pour, pour, pour. Drink the water. And sometimes it's so fun and we're so relaxed that we're more quiet when we're doing a painting project, and that's okay too. They're still recording and listening to the words, and you may be surprised later they'll use those words later. Later. See, they're listening. Can you show us your rock? Show us. Mira, my rock. I am offering phone consultation services. I am a California licensed speech therapist, and I can do phone consultation with anybody in beautiful California. So you can set that up through the website. So please subscribe, like, comment, let me know. It makes me feel so encouraged when I get likes and comments from you guys. It encourages me to keep making videos. So let me know, and I'll keep making videos every Tuesday, releasing them just about noon. Thanks everyone, good luck, and I'm happy to be here to help you and your child learn to communicate better. Have a good one, bye!